Greetings, everyone. This is Mike Wright, the Astro Sherpa, dropping in with a spatial report. We are going to see, witness, seal, sign, and deliver something extraordinary. And that's most of the planets are in their fall position, their worst position possible. So what does that mean? Destruction, death, change, endings, beginnings, new life. We're leaving the grave. Yeah, it's all of that. We are in Pisces season. The sun is now at 33 degrees of Pisces. 33 minutes of 0 degrees of Pisces. And Mercury is in Pisces, Saturn, Venus is in Aries. These are places for these planets they hate, meaning they're subjective subjects to others' energy fields. So this is something super extraordinary. When we get something so unusual, it is a sign to pay attention. Pay means to give out, to receive. So we've been through this difficult Aquarius season. Wow, man, it's been a shocker. So this moon in Scorpio is highlighting the endings, these massive dissolvings of old world structures, old world power. So this is making way for revolution, a revolution of time space itself, and understanding what a human being is and what a artificial intelligence is, what a robot is, and what a programmed man is. So if you are a human being, you are transcending out of the matrix. So we use signs, synchronicities to ascend out of darkness. Yet in darkness resides all power, the creative force itself. So we have to acknowledge that. And we have to see dark and light. So I'm going to take you on a field trip here and show you all of this. We won't be able to see Mercury, but it's right on the sunset. So that's the descending horizon. And some people might be familiar with the term Horus. So Horus, the son of Osiris and Isis, these were Egyptian deities or understandings of time space itself. So we're going to see this memorable moment of time space itself replaying, re-looking at all of history. So Pisces loves history. Water retains memory. If you don't believe me, pour water into any form, shape, and it will assume that form, including your body. So that is proof water retains memory. Anyway, so what we do have going for us, Jupiter is creeping forward now. So once he leaves Gemini, which is his fall position, Uranus in Taurus, fall position, Mars, fall position, Venus, fall position, Saturn, fall position, Mercury, worst position ever in Pisces. He can't measure anything, or she can't understand anything. So, and the sun is at the end of time space. So who are we missing? The moon, moon is in fall position in Scorpio. So literally all these archetypes are subject to other forces. So what does that mean for us? You're probably feeling empty, lost, massive transformations. How do we understand all this? Well, it is a journey. It is a pilgrimage. And many, many folks, souls, people, spirits have done this journey before us. And they left us signs. That's right, forms, understanding. So when you leave the material world of density, length, width, and height, which is volume, so those people stuck in the volume world of millions, billions, trillions, these are the people in density. They have no power. They're stuck, bound in this loop. So to free yourself is this emotional wave we're going through, and that's Pisces. So this circle contains everything. So every point on the outer edge of that circumference to the center is Pisces. So we're all equal, yet we're all diverse. So there's no need to mandate fake laws to prove that. And right there, straight above us, is Jupiter conjunct Aldebaran. On our chart, that's in Gemini. In the real sky, sidereal, that's in the hinder parts of Taurus, the bull. So let's go see Venus. So Venus will be retrograding right after Mars turns direct. So she's scooting her way through that first third part of Aries, 10 degrees, and then coming to a halt. Look at that. Man, all these planes and all those disruptions, this is crazy. The electromagnetic sphere of the Earth is going through major changes. And when you look at the magnetic North Pole, it is way, way, way over towards the east. I mean, it's extraordinary. So Saturn, let's see if we can see Saturn. Saturn's a dim lead gray planet, so it doesn't reflect very well, and when it's close to the light there, it's hard to see. But so there's Venus, Jupiter straight above, and then we're gonna look at Mars. And Mars is making the greatest sign there is. This positive triangle. So that shows us the power of 3. Let me clear out of this way here. So that's Mars coming back to 17 degrees of Cancer. Yet in the sidereal, from the sky view, that is in the constellation of Gemini. So that's making this perfect triangle with the constellation of Gemini. And then Jupiter is conjunct Aldebaran, the follower. And that's extraordinary. This night sky is magnificent. It's showing us the creative force itself and the arcs these things make. So this is a time for self-awareness. Forget about finding bliss and happiness with others or partners, this is time for you to go inwards in your transformation. Tune in, tune up, and participate. Any way you go, I hope you're well. Astro Sherpa out.